Hi Drasso Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a zombie to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this very cute zombie, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm just going to come right here and draw a really big circle. And I really hope this drawing inspires you to have fun with it. And I'm going to come right across and come out right here. And because it's a zombie, you can draw it any way you like. Make it as wacky as you want, right? So it doesn't really matter. And so then now there are two circles in. I'm just going to come right into the center area and just draw a little dot on both sides. There. And then let's see here. I'm just going to come in here and darken the top part just to give it more depth to our eyes. Just the top. And same thing here. So our circles definitely don't have to be perfect at all. Nothing has to be perfect. It can be all wobbly if you like. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come above each eye and I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then in between the eyes, and I'm kind of drawing a slight slant, but it doesn't really matter. You can even slant it even more, just how much movement you want to give to your zombie. I'm just giving it a tiny bit. And between the eyes, let's go ahead and just draw two little triangular shapes for the nostrils, and then we're going to draw this mouth. So we're going to come right underneath the nostrils and I'm just going to draw this big curve, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And before I connect, I'm going to come right here and draw this little drool. Just going to wobble a little tiny piece, string of drool, and then just go ahead and connect it. Then let's draw some teeth, of course. Right there, just two of them, because he's missing everything else, and we're just going to draw a curve right there for a tongue. And then from there, let's frame the face. So I'm going to come to the sides right here, the center of my eye. I'm going to come out about right here, and same thing right here, the center of my eye, about right here. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this big curve underneath. So just go ahead, and like I said, it doesn't matter. It could be all wobbly and lopsided. It's a zombie, right? So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and connect. There, nice and wobbly right there. Okay, then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to go up for the top of the head. It's nice and round, just drawing a very simple, simplified zombie. So I'm just going to bring this around. And before I finish this off right here, I'm going to stop right here because we have some brains we need to draw that's oozing out. So I'm going to stop right there and just draw a bunch of curves that kind of come in. As if he has this big bite mark off of his eyes being bitten. And then we're going to come right back here and we're just going to pop in some more curves for his brains oozing out, right? We're going to come in here for some detail. Give it some more volume, and then let's see here, let's give him some strands of hair, maybe like 3, and let's give him some lines right here, and maybe like a big old wound. So I'm just going to zigzag right here, and a big scar. So like I said, have fun with this and you put whatever you like. Make him a little dirtier there. Okay, so now that we have that, oh, we forgot. Let's draw some ears. So I'm going to come to about right here and I'll just draw this ear that's kind of falling apart. And same thing here. So let's go other side, about right here. And here. Okay, so now that we have the face in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just wobble a little collar area, kind of like this little V shape. And then I'll come about right here for his shoulders. And on this side, I'm going to have one hand, I guess, slightly higher than the other. So let's start about right here. I'm just going to draw this very simplified hand. So I'm going to come 1, 2, 3, 4 curves, and then come out with this wobbly thumb, and then we're just going to draw a bunch of fingers. 2, 3, and 4. There. And then we're going to draw another one about right here. Let's see, same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a thumb. And once again, we're just going to go around. And 4. There. And then let's draw some dirt that he's digging out of, right? So it's come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a mound, curves, just to fill up in this space, so we don't have to draw too many details, because it is nice fresh dirt that's coming out of here. And then let's draw his shoulders, finish it off about right here. There. Okay, so that is pretty much for him. Now we're going to come back in here, and if you like, you can even add some more details, like some maybe nails, if you like. Just adding some lines or some details to make it look more zombie-ish. Okay, so there. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw this big tombstone. So I'm going to go up right here and over our zombie. So let's say about right here. Go ahead and draw this big curve, bring it down. So it's going to come right down to about here. And I'll add some depth to it. So I'm going to come right here and add another curve coming down about right there. And then we can write the word R.I.P., rest in peace, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and rip quickly. I'll just thicken it up. So I can't wait to see your fan art of this and what you come up with and how your zombie, if you make a very cute zombie or a very creepy zombie. There. And then I'll just put a heart right here because the zombie was very much loved. There. And then to make it extra cute, we could even add some flowers. It's just like a little plant, little flower that's out on the dirt, just to spruce it up. And then here as well. Because it is a draw so cute zombie, right? There. And that is pretty much it for this cute zombie that I've drawn here to celebrate Halloween. I really hope you loved how it turned out and that I've inspired you to draw it too fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.